Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Universal Split Screen works across Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, and Android devices today. It creates tiled layouts for 2 or more apps side by side. This tutorial assumes you install the Only Way app on each device. You must run version 2.5 or later to follow these steps. Ensure your device has at least 4 GB RAM for smooth performance. Enable accessibility or screen recording permissions when prompted by the app. Open Only Way on every device and sign into the same account for syncing. You can also use local pairing if you prefer not to use Cloud Sync. For local pairing, choose Pair Device and enter the 6-digit PIN shown on the host device. Connect over the same Wi-Fi network or attach via USB for lower latency. Next, open Settings and enable multi-window to allow tiled layouts and app snapping. Select a 2-column or 3-column layout. Drag an app window to the left or right edge to snap it into a split zone. You can also drag between displays when using multiple monitors connected to the same host. Use the center divider to resize panes by dragging. Lock the ratio with the padlock icon to prevent accidental changes. Tap the top of a pane to access app controls, including swap and close. Press Ctrl-Alt-Space to swap focused apps quickly while keeping layouts intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.